Hello, it's Matt. Welcome to Collaboration Coach, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily share notebook pages with every student in your class. This is a tutorial for teachers using Microsoft Teams in Office 365 for education. Before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we post more videos on Teams for Education. In this example, I have an algebra class and I have a maths worksheet that I want to share with my students so they can complete it for homework. I'm going to use the class notebook to share the page, and this is done through a feature called Distribute Page. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to remove the page if you make a mistake as well. First, I'm going to create a page in the Content Library section of the notebook. Remember, this is the section that the teachers can make changes to, but the students can't. To create my new page, I'm going to come to the homework section of the content library and I'm going to go to the bottom and press New Page. I'm going to call this new page Worksheet, and then I'm going to add the quiz to the page. Now in this demonstration, I'm just going to do this with an image that I've downloaded, but that's just for speed. And obviously you can take your time and prepare the sheet with any formatting that you like. So when you're happy that the page is complete and you're ready to share, you just need to choose the class notebook link above the page here. When you do that, you should see a new ribbon toolbar appear, and on the left hand side, you'll see the Distribute Page button. Drop that down and choose the first link at the top called Distribute Page. Now on the right, you'll see a Distribute Page pane appear. This will have a list of sections from the student notebooks, and I want to send this page to the homework section. So I choose homework from the sections list and then the distribute button. It will now send my worksheet to the homework section of every student notebook in my class. Once that's done, as a teacher, I can see all the student notebooks, and I can see in the homework section, my worksheet is now copied to each of them. And if I switched to what the student sees, here I'm logged in as Alex, who's a student in the algebra class. He can see the worksheet in his homework section of his student notebook. Now, say you made a mistake and you want to delete that same page. Go to the class notebook link and choose the Distribute Page drop-down again. Then choose Delete Page. Then you choose which section you want to delete from the right hand side. In our case, the section is homework. So next it will show you all the pages that can be deleted from that section. And we should see the worksheet that we just shared. So choose that page and then press Next. It will warn you that it's about to permanently delete that page from all the student notebooks. And if you're happy, then just press Delete and the page will be removed. So that's how you share pages with your students and remove them from the class notebook. I hope this was useful. If it was, please subscribe to the channel because we're posting every week and we don't want you to miss anything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.